Take one. Hey guys, it's Brian from the media room. That expensive video that you paid for is getting outperformed by stuff that people shoot on their phones. Sorry to break it to you. And that's not just me talking. 50 brands, 2,000 videos studied, lo-fi content, user-generated content. The stuff that looks like it was made for social media gets 40% more views and 30% more reach than polished, overproduced content. Every single industry that they looked at, like every single industry. And it's not to bust your bubble, and it's not to mock you or mock your efforts or anything. It's just that's the way it's going right now. And so here's why it works. When you're scrolling and you see something that looks like a commercial, what do? You skip it. Your brain flags it as an ad and it just says, all right, it's time to go and move on. But when you see something that is someone talking to the camera like a real person, you stop because it feels real. It feels like someone's actually talking to you. They're actually having a conversation with you about your need. So here's the issue. You know you need video. You know the polished stuff isn't working. You may not even have the budget for it. But nobody taught you how to make authentic stuff strategically. So either you overpay for videos that or underperform, or you wing it on your phone and hope that you're just hope for the best, and you roll the dice and hope one of them works. And so that's why I built the media room. The media room is where I teach a repeatable framework to create authentic social media content that connects with your audience. They're not commercials. They're not corporate reels. It's content that's built for the audience that you're going after, which is social media. So right now, I'm taking on 5 founding clients. I'm going to drop the link in the description or the bio of wherever you're reading this. Just shoot me a DM if you're interested. I'd love to work with you. It always starts with an audit, so we can see where you're at and kind of measure it against where you want to be. Okay, that's all I got. I'm Brian with the Media Room. If you're interested, hit me up. By the way, I'm going off my script here. I shot this on a webcam, y'all. This is a webcam that I'm using right now. I have more expensive cameras. I got a lot more expensive gear. I'm using a webcam. This stuff works. All right. You just got to know how to use it. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.